At the end of the day, you have to wake up and realize that the Republican Party and the Democrat Party is two wings on the same bird. It's the same thing. Whatever happened to just being a human being and having morals and doing the right thing by everybody, by every person, regardless of color? What happened to that? They don't care. And if you continually beg and crawl to them to have a seat at their table, you're only supporting evil, and you're only supporting a system that wants to do nothing but oppress the people.